Hey, so just letting you guys know before you watch this video, the lighting is not very good. I am working on it. I'm so sorry. I hope you still enjoy the video though.
Hello you guys! So today I'm going to be making a haul video on a clothing store called Killstar. Now these clothes are more towards the gothic side and I really do enjoy that kind of style, so I wanted to go ahead and try these on, show you guys what I got. I think the total was like 130 something I believe for these, but these items were also on clearance, so I wanted to get a good deal on these. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and look at them and unbox this, or unbag this bag. So here we have the bag. I think I bought about 5 items, so we'll have to see what they are. I think they were all shirts. I don't think I ordered any pants, I don't think. So we're gonna go ahead and open this, alright? So let's see what's inside. Wait, it looks different. I don't remember this. Did it work? Okay, it's right. Okay, I got it confused. Okay, so there's one. This looks like a dress. Oh no, this is a shirt. I think this is a shirt. It looks lacy. Like a lace shirt. Okay. Okay, I see now. And then we have this shirt. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, I ordered 5 items. Oh, okay, I remember this now. Okay. We're good. It's alright. Everything's right. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbag these. So, what size did I get in this again? I think it was a medium. Yeah, this is a medium. Oh damn, their sizes are actually pretty big. Okay. Oh, it'll shrink a little. So this is what I got in medium. Now this makes me nervous that the other shirts are gonna be too big. Alright, so this is the t-shirt. It says people are strange. It has like a cute little graphic art on there. I don't have a lot of like t-shirts. I have so many crop tops, which I bought some still. But I really want to get a couple t-shirts as well because I don't have many like casual items. Everything's so cropped and fancy looking. So I wanted more t-shirts that I actually like. So this is really cute. The material is actually pretty thin. So I feel like it's not going to be like super tight or anything like that. I mean super hot. So yeah, that's also really good. Alright, so this is this t-shirt. It's actually pretty big, but I kind of like it because it's more cozy that way, and like I love oversized things like sweaters and stuff. So yeah, this is actually pretty cute. I feel like it will shrink a little bit in the wash, so maybe it'll actually fit a little bit better when I do that. But I still like the oversized look of this. The graphics are really nice. It says people are strange. It has Killstar at the bottom. And I think it just looks really cute and simple, especially for just a casual outfit or if I want to sleep in it. So yeah, I really do like this shirt. Oh yeah! I forgot about this one. Okay, this is cute. So I got this t-shirt. Since I'm a Pisces, I thought it was really cute. I don't have any like zodiac clothing, so I wanted to get this, and it says sensitive, intuitive, resistant, and water. So yes. Alright, now we have the other t-shirt that I showed you guys. It's the Pisces one with the fish in like the yin yang position, which actually I want to get a tattoo at some point soon with my zodiac sign and everything. So maybe I'll make a video on that as well. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that. I'm still designing it with my artists and stuff, so I still really have to think about it more. But that's definitely what I'm going for, is a Pisces tattoo. So stay tuned for that whenever I decide to do that. But yeah, this is a really cute shirt. It's the same material as the other one. Again, it's pretty oversized, but it might shrink a little bit. But yeah, it's very comfortable and thin, not very hot at all. So yeah, I really do like this shirt as well. The straps are a little confusing in the back, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. What size is this? Small. So this is like a little mermaidy crop top thing, V-neck. I thought it was really cute. Ooh. It's like a bluish, like, there's like a bluish sparkle to it, but it's still like, it's like gray but with like a bluish tint to it. I like that. It's like very shiny. It looks really cool. Alright, so this is the mermaid V-neck crop top. I really do like the way it looks. This part looks kind of cool. Like, it's not like a usual spaghetti strap. It's just kind of like, I don't know, it looks like a buckle, but it doesn't undo anything. But it's really cute. I love the shine to it. And the back is like, looks like this, and I think that looks really cool. But yeah, this is actually really cute. I got this in a small, and these little straps are very stretchy, so don't be scared to get a smaller size because it is stretchy. So if you want a like nice tight fit, you can go like a little bit under, but don't go too far under. But it is very stretchy, so don't worry about like it being too small because it most likely will stretch on you. So yeah, I think it looks really, really cute. And it gives me mermaid vibes. And I'm a Pisces, so hey, what's up? And honestly, their little like tags are actually pretty cool. Size medium. Okay, I'm scared that this medium is gonna be too big because it's a crop top. But hopefully it looks okay. So this is this crop top. Thought it was really cute with the moons and stars. Or the moons and suns. So yeah, and I love like the turtleneck, like Wednesday Addams vibe. So I thought it was really cute. Okay, so this is the other crop top, and this actually fits really well. The sizing on this one is medium, and I was worried that it was going to be too loose because when I held it up it looked kind of loose, but when I put it on it's actually very nice fitting. It's not super tight or anything, it's like very airy, like very roomy, but it still fits very nice and like fitted. The color is super cute. And the design is really cute as well. It's just regular in the back. But yeah, I really like this. Super cute. What is this? Oh yeah! I was excited about this one. Ooh, okay, but what size is this? Small? Oh, this is gonna be too low. I'm gonna have to wear like a bralette under this because it's like, man, I was hoping it wasn't gonna be like this, but it's like super extra v-neck, but like the sleeves are like really, like I love the sleeves. That's what really caught my eye when I saw this, so I really wanted to get this one. But it kind of has a hippie vibe, but also still like very gothy, so I really like this, but I'm scared it's gonna be too low. Man, I probably should have done an extra small. Like I said, this is the first time I'm ordering from them, so I didn't really know how their sizes went. There are size charts, but like I don't know the numbers because like it's just like extra small, small, medium, large, etc. Like we don't have numbers, so I don't know how to do that. Like we have numbers in our pants, right? Like 3s, 5s, 8s, whatever. But like shirts, I feel like we don't have numbers here. Or maybe I'm just dumb. I don't know, but I'm scared this is gonna be too big. So, okay, so there is the last shirt that I showed you guys. And honestly, it looks so cute. Like, this is so cool. I never had a shirt with sleeves like this. And like, I feel like a little bat. Like, it's so cute. And like, I love the lace. Like, this accent is really nice. I love how that lace is right here, but still has like the, it's like a velvet feeling. So I like how there's still like velvet on this part. It's like a middle lace thing. And it's so cute. And like the v-neck is pretty low. Also ignore that. Like there's a pimple. Sorry. And my lighting keeps like getting in my glasses. But basically this is pretty low. But my like bralette, it's kind of similar to this shirt honestly. Kind of covers right here. So it's not super bad. But it looks good together. So I really do like this. This is for like the back. so I really like this. So cute. Alright, so that's pretty much all I have to show you guys today. What do I think about Killstar? I really do like their brand. I've been following them for a very long time on Instagram and everything. I've always looked through their clearance and like just admired their outfits, but I never bought any because I just don't like spending my money. But today, or a few days ago, I wanted to splurge a little bit, treat myself, you know. So I bought these and they were on sale, so I didn't feel as bad to buy them since they were on clearance. And yeah, I really do like these clothes. The material's pretty good. The only bad thing was, honestly, I don't know if there's really any bad things. I just really like these clothes. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the shirts and what is your favorite shirt that I picked out. Let me know any other brands that you want me to try out, especially if they're like more towards the alternative side of things. I may try Dolls Kill because I really do like them as well. I've been following them probably around the same time as Killstar, so I may do one of those videos the next time I decide to online shop. So I'll definitely let you guys know whenever I do that. And yeah, just comment below any other ideas for videos or anything like that because I love seeing ideas. It definitely helps out a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, be sure to like it. If you are new to this channel and this is the first video you see, definitely check out my channel and the other videos on there. I do a bunch of different things and I'm going to do even more different things. Honestly, my channel has no like real theme to it. I'm kind of exploring different things and seeing what I really do enjoy making videos about. So just bear with me until I figure everything out. But overall, it's really fun just kind of doing a bunch of different things. And it's definitely helping me get out of my shell a little bit and try new things, go different places. And it's pretty great. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye!